Hey everyone, my name is Elena and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this video, I want to go over the people filter for the photos in your gallery. Inside your gallery, you will be able to see this photo filter right here with the little smiling face icon. Go ahead and click it and you'll see the option to begin scanning. Alright, so the system's finished, and you'll see all the faces the system was able to detect in your photos. You can click and deselect photos to see all the photos a face was tagged in, and you can select multiple faces to see all the photos. Please keep in mind that only registered clients and invited guests will be able to see this feature when viewing their shared galleries. This means it will not be visible to visitors or your public website. To do this, you just want to go to Settings and then enter the details for your client under Client or Invited Guest. To test this out, I'll go ahead and enter my details here. I'll go ahead and update contact. Alright. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and grab that URL link. To share this with your client, go up to Share, and then you can either grab the direct link or send an email with the gallery invite. In this case, I'm going to grab the direct link. Now I'm going to open a separate window where I'm not logged in. Here, I can open my invitation to view the gallery as a registered client. I also have to create a password to register my client access. Now, as you can see, after logging in to my registered client access, I can view my gallery that the photographer has shared with me, and I can also see the face filter here. If I select a face, I'll be able to scroll down and see which image has been selected. As you'll see, all other images that have not been selected will be grayed out. And that's it for the face filter. Please do reach out to us at support if you have any other questions on this or anything else. Have a great day.